put that camera? I should hold it on two hands. I have an idea. That looks fabulous. That's enough. I'm so busy right now. I know where should we go. So come on, let's go anyways. Let's go to the green slide. Let's go to the blue slide. The green slide. No, the orange slide. The orange slide this side. That's gonna be the best. I'm not in the mood of yellow right now. I'm in the mood of the yellow, so the one yellow mom like I hate yellow things so bad. You guys know this? It's monkey bar, right? I don't know how to do it. Just I'm so scared. Not on the slide, on the monkey bar. Ready? Woo! Yes, yes. Bye.